go swimming.
No, I like to float. There's one more step.
You're doing a good job. Swim to the steps.
I'm getting there.
I know you are. I'm not even near you.
Eric, use your arms. Use your hands, Eric. There you go. There you go. That's it. It's going to go faster if you use your hands.
That's it. That's it. Perfect. That's it.
Use your
Keep
hands,
kicking.
honey.
Keep kicking. That look, I love that. Fun.
It's the first time we've tried him in it. He's just loving it.
I tell you, you're going to stop laughing.